Identifier, basically identifier is the name of variables, functions and arrays. They are user defined. Then come to the constant. There are two type of constant. One is numerical constant, second is character constant. Numerical constants are those which is defined the numerical values. There are two types of numerical constant. One is integer constant and second is real constant. Integer constants are those are integer values can take input as an integer constant. Suppose we can define integer constant as int a. Suppose a is a constant variable, and we can give the input value, suppose a equal to 5. That is an example of one integer constant. And real constants are those where you can take in floating point constant value. Floating point is fractional numbers we can take as input in real constants as real constants. Suppose float a equal to 2.5 is a real constant term, real constant. And character constants are those here we can take input characters as character constants. Suppose we can define character constant as chr character a equal to suppose we can take input a value of character a with a single quotation. In character constant we can take the value of any character or any digit also in a single quotation. Now come to the variable. Variable is a name used for storing a data value. Its value may be changed during the program execution. The value of variable keep on changing during the execution of a program. We can define the variable as int a. These are the data types normally used in the C programming. These are character data type. Data size is 1 byte and range is -128 to 127. And we can define this character data type as a format specifier with the format specifier %C. Then come to the integer data type. Integer data type byte size is 2. Range is -32,768 to 32,767, and we can the integer for integer type format specifier is %t. Then come to floating point. We can define floating point as byte size is 4 and format specifier is %f. Then operators. These operators are normally used in C programming. First is arithmetic operator. Symbol is plus, minus, asterisk, less than and percentage sign. Then relational operator. Relational operator is less than, greater than, equal to, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, not equal to. Logical operators and or not equal to. Then increment, decrement as assignment operator. Bitwise and %, comma, conditional operator.